In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a debit card or credit card to your eBay account. Whether you're a regular buyer or just getting started, having your payment method set up can make your shopping experience seamless and efficient. So, let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open a web browser and head over to eBay's website by typing in ebay.com. Make sure you're logged into your account to proceed with the following steps. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice a drop-down menu next to your profile name. Click on this drop-down. In the menu that appears, locate and select the Account Settings option. This is where you can manage all sorts of preferences related to your eBay account, including payment methods. Once you've clicked on Account Settings, you'll be directed to a new page. On this page, look for the section labeled Payment Information. Under this section, you'll find an option named Payments. Click on it to continue. This will take you to the area where you can manage existing payment methods or add new ones. Now, look for the button that says Add Cards and Accounts. Clicking this will bring up the options for adding different types of payment methods. For our purposes, we're focusing on debit and credit cards. Next, click on Checkout. This might seem a bit confusing, but it's essentially eBay's way of ensuring you're ready to add a payment method that will be used at checkout. After clicking Checkout, you'll see a Continue button. Go ahead and click Continue to proceed. At this stage, you'll be presented with the option to select either a credit card or a debit card. Choose the option that matches the card you wish to add. Once you've made your choice, click Continue again. Now comes the part where you need to enter your card details. Make sure you have your card handy to input the required information accurately. You'll need to provide the card number, expiration date, and the security code found on the back of your card. Double-check the details to avoid any errors. Once everything looks correct, click Add to save your card information to your eBay account. And that's it! You've successfully added a debit card or credit card to your eBay account. This setup will make your future purchases quicker and more straightforward, as you won't need to enter your payment details each time you buy something. Before you go, here's a quick tip. Keep an eye on your card statements to ensure that all transactions are accurate and authorized. It's always good to stay vigilant with your financial information. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful in setting up your payment method on eBay. If you found this guide useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a great day and happy shopping on eBay.